pass by me like that.
Hey, why are you shooting at me?
Don't pass by me like that. Go around next time. Call him. Don't pass me in the same lane. Don't come by me in the same lane.
What did you say?
No, go around. You.
Damn it, mother. You f***ing sucker. Mother. Oh, yo. What the hell?
What, did you even see me? You almost hit me. Roll down your window. Roll down your window. You're gonna flip me off? Look at it. You see the camera? Say hi to YouTube.
Got you on camera. Pass on. Double yellow. Got you on camera. Passing on the double yellow. Card. You. What am I doing wrong?
Green light, go!
Oh, wow. Get in your car.
Yo, you're trying to tell that guy. I don't care if the green light, my wife's waiting. Screw. Go!
Are you from Maine?
I'm out of here.
Maine plate. You.
What? Well, you upset because I didn't let you in? You idiot. Hey, wind your window down. You didn't even look when you pulled in here. You almost wiped me out. You were in the far lane and I was in this lane. You just pulled in without even looking. I couldn't get to my horn. That's why I didn't beep you. Please just turn your head. We're very vulnerable, yeah? You have a good day. Oh, yeah, here's a servo. If I had to say that, I would have known it was it. No lights, or bugger all, parkers. Your lights. Put your lights on, buddy. You only got your parkers on.
Yeah.
You've got your parkers on. Only your parkers are on. Put your lights on.
Oh. Okay.
And when you pull out of parking, look for people like me.
Thank you.
You have a good day. Idiot. Oh, look at this idiot, will ya? Do you want to move up a little bit?
What's your problem?
Does it have to be that way? You
What's
were
your problem?
behind me. You stopped. You were supposed to stop there for the light.
The light's right
What
there.
are you? What are you? Just because you ride a motorcycle, you have to be stupid?
Did we cut you off? No, you stopped. Okay, we didn't cut you off. Calm down.
I don't want to smell these ugly.
Have a great day, ma'am.
I can't. Too many motorcycles.
Like I said, ma'am, we didn't cut you off. There's no need to be an asshole.
But you are an asshole.
Did I cut you off?
Did you stay where you were supposed to? No.
You stopped right before the light.
Why did you go around?
Then why would you zigzagging back there?
All motorcyclists have to be assholes.
I have it on camera, ma'am. Why would you zigzagging back there?
I have a camera.
Huh? Yeah, I got you on camera.
Keep swerving around behind.
Yeah, I got you on camera, ma'am. You too.